friends. I'm Apple. I help your heart stay strong and your tummy happy. An apple a day keeps you ready to play.
Hey there, I'm Banana. I give you super energy to run and jump. Feeling tired? I'm your quick power-up. Hello, Sunshine. I'm Orange. I'm full of vitamin C to fight colds. I keep your immune shield strong.
Hi, sweet friends. I'm Strawberry. I help your skin glow and stay fresh. Yummy and healthy, that's me.
Hey, smart kids. I'm Grapes. I help your brain think sharp and fast. Snack on me for smart power.
Hello, I'm Mango. I help keep your eyes bright and healthy. See the world clearly with me.
Hey there, I'm Pineapple. I help your tummy digest food easily. Happy belly, happy you.
Splash, I'm Watermelon. I keep you cool and hydrated. Drink water and eat me too. Hi, I'm Kiwi. I help your tummy and boost immunity. Small fruit, big power.
Hello, friends. I'm Pomegranate. I help your blood stay healthy and strong. Tiny seeds, mighty benefits.